Guys, how's it going? Lightning Shock is back with another video, guys. Where today, guys, we are going through, in one of my last videos, we were going through one of my drawings. Now we are going through some of my photoshops, kind of. Basically, what I mean here, what I'm about to show you guys is cars that already exist, but my versions. So say. Not like my custom versions of that car, but like it's the car, but different paints, different colors, stuff like that. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. Okay, now we move. This is, by the way, a slides. So firstly, the McLaren Sabre. I think I said that right. At the top are some computer images. At the bottom is some actual photos, and I just took them and made them and thought, what would my version look like if I had one? I'm either the RBY, so red, blue, yellow, or without the yellow, which is the middle one. The far right one is the original, so that's just as a comparison. So yeah, this is what my Sabre would look like, probably. Probably the far left one is what it would look like. Next up, we have this car isn't an official car, I don't think, because I haven't heard Lamborghini bring it up at all. But yeah, the darkened original version, just because I liked the way I like the way lights like stay bright, whereas everything else just goes dark. So I added that in. Not sure that much why. There's a blue version and there's a red version, and there's the original, which is orange. So it didn't really make a difference with the red version, but I had to do quite a few changes to the blue version. So yeah, this the red one is what my main one would be. Next up, the Centenario. They look fairly similar. This time I didn't add any of the original image. The daily Centenario for red, well, red and blue, nothing that special. And then sporty, it just got two front stripes. And then the LS Racing, don't know why, but it's got extra stripes. It's got like just more lines, more sporty look, and yeah, that's just what these would look. I'd honestly prefer the racing one to the sporty, but hey, you never know. Alright, next one, the Sian Roadster. I should have changed that. So there's a full red, part red, and there's a fade. I honestly prefer the fade to the red and black, but that's just what it is. So yeah, this is what one of my Sienna Roadsters would look like. This actually took quite some time to do, so yeah, hope you guys like that one. Next up are two concepts. The egoista, meaning selfish in English, which doesn't look that nice. I tried making it red. That's the closest I could be. And then the V12 Vision GT. Honestly, one of my favorite concepts, if not my favorite. I just love the car. I just had to make my own color, kind of. So I tried doing the reflection. Kinda worked, didn't work. So yeah. Next up, it is the Lamborghini's latest concept, I think. It's like that, like track car. The Essenza, I'm guessing that's how you say it. It's fully for the track. As you can see, the headlights, there's one headlight? No, there's two at the very bottom. And yeah, it doesn't look like a regular car, which it isn't. So yeah, this is the and what I can't say anymore. So yeah, that's the next one. Right, more. Moving on to Bugatti, the Lavatuana Noir. Sorry if I said that wrong. I prefer the top left version because the bottom left, my opinion, a bit too much red, but still looks very nice. Whereas the top left looks just amazing. My opinion, obviously, you guys could prefer the other one to the black and red one than the fully red. So I just prefer some of the parts in black. Next one. Next one. So this is a concept which never actually made it to the market. It's called the Bugatti 16C Galiba. Maybe that might be what it's called. I'm not sure. Well, like how you actually pronounce it. The original car was like blue and like silver. So this is my red version. It's got chrome and dilly. So like the front, the horseshoe grill is gone. I didn't make the C shape on the side black. I didn't, cause it might look better without it. I made the rims black. The rims have to be black, and I am honestly quite proud of my result. Next one. These are a few versions. There's the original, which is at the very bottom. To the left, my friend wanted something purple for his wallpaper, well, for his widget to like fit in. So I made him that. The far right is like in the middle is my version, and then I didn't include the original for the front view, but in the center that's the full red, and then I did tints at the top. The far right is no tint. That's what it would more realistically look like. And then dark, and then medium tint, strong tint, max tint. I again the headlights like stand out. I really love it when it's like that. And yeah, this is the Bugatti Bolide. Next is I think the Devo. Yes, the Devo. Not much of a change. There is still a change, mainly just in the paint. There are quite there's also the rims which are black, and I think that's it. I honestly prefer the red Devo to the blue Devo, but that's my opinion. So yeah, next one it is this one. These are technically two cars, the F12 Berlinetta and the F12 TDF. There's two angles of the TDF. So the far right is the original image, the center is the blue image, and then the far left, that is all of the like red and blue combo to like make them look nice. So I kind of maybe prefer the Berlinetta as a front because of the grille. I could do some blue there, but in the TDF I couldn't do that. But actually, I might actually prefer the TDF because it just looks nice. It just looks a lot better. So yeah, my favorite angle out of all of these is the middle left one. So the front side view instead of like the more side view. The 812 Superfast, personally my favorite Ferrari, well, one of my favorites, like in my top three. There's the original, the blue version, which looks really nice, and then again the combo, which I'm actually really proud of. I really like it. There's the front splitter in blue. There's stripes, which I added in. The side has like cool like blue elements to it to make it look a bit more sportier. Um, and yeah, that's my 812 Superfast. And then lastly, this is the concept. This time I did two angles, the front and the back. I don't usually do this. As you saw, this is the first color which I've done a front and a back. So the bottom corners are the original images. In the middle, there's the blue images, which, by the way, look amazing. And then the top two biggest cars, like, images are my personal favorites. I just love how the blue like fits in with the red. I just love it, and I like the other way around. I honestly don't know if it should have been the other way around. I think it might look better this way. But yeah, again, really proud of this. This has to be like my favorite Photoshop that I've done on a Ferrari. So this is what my omologata would look like. Ferrari omologata concept or one-off. This is what mine would look like, the LS one. So yeah, that's what this would look like. Going back to the 18, not to the Bugatti 16C Galaber. These are some of the images of the inside and outside. To see the engine, you can see there are two, as if like flaps that open up. It's got 8 exhaust pipes. From my opinion, that's personally a bit too much, but it suits the car a lot. The clock in the middle can actually be taken out and put as a watch, which that really surprises me. And that's actually quite cool, because not even a Rolls-Royce has that, which is very unusual. And yeah, I honestly really like this. I wish this car would have actually gone into production. Speaking about production, fun fact. Um, yeah, so basically, the Volkswagen Group, which owns Bugatti, didn't allow it to go into production because they thought it was too ugly. Yet the Volkswagen Beetle exists, which honestly doesn't look better in any sort of way. This is full my opinion. Comment down below if you think the Beetle looks better or worse. I honestly think it looks much worse. So yeah. In fact, I am also working on a Photoshop to um to like make my own version of what's it called? The Ferrari J50. Yeah, I honestly really like this car. Um, I'm quite proud of what I've done so far. I want to do more, like say for example, make the rims black. I'm working on it. As you can see, I haven't fully done this rim yet. I need to finish this rim as well, which there will be the brakes showing to make it a bit more like realistic. So yeah, this is roughly what my J50 would look like. Sadly, this is a concept from what I know, but so far this looks amazing. So yeah, this is what my J50 would or will look. So yeah, I hope you guys like this. All of this does take a lot of time to actually do.
So anyway guys, if you did enjoy this video guys, then please make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more content, hit the notification to never miss an upload, and I'll catch you guys in my next video guys. Peace.